Welcome to my channel. What are the basic computer skills beginners need to learn? In today's video, we will explore the essential computer skills that every beginner needs to learn. Whether you are completely new to computers or just looking to strengthen your foundational knowledge, this video is for you. Computers have become a central part of our daily lives, and understanding the basics is crucial for personal, academic, and professional success. First, let us discuss why learning basic computer skills is important. Computers are everywhere, from workplaces and schools to our homes and mobile devices. By developing fundamental skills, you can navigate software efficiently, communicate effectively online, and handle tasks that require digital proficiency with confidence. We'll start with understanding computer hardware. A beginner should know the main parts of a computer system, including the monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, and storage devices. Knowing the purpose and function of these components help you operate computers safely and troubleshoot minor issues. Next, learning about operating systems is essential. Operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux manage all hardware and software on a computer. Beginners should know how to turn a computer on and off, navigate the desktop, use the start menu, and access system settings. Familiarity with operating systems creates a strong foundation. Familiarity with operating systems creates a strong foundation for further learning. Using software applications is another crucial skill. Programs like word processors, spreadsheets, and presentation tools are essential in everyday tasks. Beginners should learn to create, save, edit, and format documents efficiently. These skills not only improve productivity but also prepare you for professional tasks. Internet and email usage are indispensable in today's digital age. Knowing how to browse the web safely, search for information effectively, and manage emails is essential. Beginners should also understand online security practices, including creating strong passwords and avoiding phishing scams. At this stage, if this video is educative, take a moment to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video, and engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Furthermore, if you need a thumbnail designer, a script writer, or a video producer who will be making videos like this for you, or for your channel rather, contact me and I'll perform the task for you efficiently, because I am the producer of all the videos on this channel. Let's proceed. Another basic computer skill is learning file management. This involves creating folders, naming files correctly, moving files between directories, and using storage devices like USB drives. Proper file management saves time and prevents data loss, and ensures that information is easily accessible when needed. Finally, beginners should be familiar with basic troubleshooting and maintenance. Beginners should be familiar with basic troubleshooting and maintenance. This includes understanding how to update software, run antivirus scans, and resolve common issues like slow performance or unresponsive applications. These skills ensure your computer remains secure and efficient over time. In conclusion, mastering these basic computer skills will empower you to use technology confidently in both personal and professional settings. From understanding hardware and operating systems to software applications, internet usage, file management, and troubleshooting, each skill contributes to becoming digitally literate. By practicing consistently, Beginners can quickly become proficient and enjoy the full benefits of technology. Now, I want to remind you that I can design eye-catching thumbnails for your videos, write your video scripts, or even make videos like this for your channel. If you are interested, then contact me and I'll do it. Finally, before you leave, if this video is important, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video. Also, engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it, and endeavor to watch my other videos also to learn more. Bye until my next video.